Armstead. It was super close. Who? Who won that?
Oh my
John
goodness.
Wilson with the win, folks. He took it away right at the top. Armstead had it. He did not see him coming, and he went right around him, Levi.
That was a